Good morning, all you peoples. I just woke up, and it is like, I don't know, 10:30. I was supposed to be helping a friend move all of his crap out of his house at 10, so I'm a little bit late. I gotta go get gas, and then we'll see where this goes. Neighbor has a cool car. I like that. Hi, neighbor with the cool car. Look at these freaking gas prices, man. Yeah, all right. Let's see how much gas that got us. Over half a tank, cool. All right, so I'm gonna head over to my buddy's place. Hopefully they're all still there, and then we'll start packing his crap up and then move it to the new one. All right, I just got here, so let's go see what's going on. Where's the scratch?
Yeah, right? It's not that bad. You can't even see it. Oh. Yeah.
That's not good.
That's rough. Yeah. At least, I mean, this didn't even break, so. Yeah, it's not too bad.
Good old Craig back to the truck into his...
Doing the thing.
I'm doing the thing. Good old Craig back the truck into his car.
Back it in. It was when I was swinging it around.
Okay, when you were swinging the car around. Yeah. My big old legs.
Yeah. Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna move it back a little bit, so. Mini house with an inflatable hot tub. Ooh. Fancy. I think I found where Alex gets to stay. I think Alex should come and live with you instead. He'll just crash up there. Do you guys have central air? Nice.
We are central air people.
I like it.
Spinal Tap.
Spinal Tap, Phil.
Grabbed it because it was a...
That bus.
I can put it down here on the floorboard.
All right, so we just finished up packing up everything and moving it all over to Craig's new house. His new house is gorgeous. I absolutely love it. The color scheme, the styling, everything about it is freaking amazing. So I'm on my way home right now. Tomorrow I've got to go grab that dresser from Brandon because I wasn't able to pick it up in my Golf last time. Joe is letting me borrow his truck for that, so we'll go grab that tomorrow, and that'll be pretty much it for this vlog style thing. So I'm trying out what a couple of you guys said for me to try out before, which is splitting up my weekly videos into a vlog as well as a car video, so that the content is kind of separated. We'll see how this goes. I'm personally not a huge fan of the idea, just because of the fact that it's going to be very difficult to separate everything because my days just kind of flow together. But we'll give that a try and see how it goes. So my other video, I'm probably going to clean up those wheels and do a little bit more work on the car, so you know, stick around for that, I guess. All right, everybody, it is day 2 of furniture moving, and so we are going to go get my buddy Joe's truck and take that up to Brandon's house and get that dresser that we were supposed to get a long time ago. So I just picked up my buddy's S10, and his setup is pretty cool, not gonna lie. Yeah, check this out. Alright, we're here, so let's get this thing. So, there was basically nobody there. I guess I should have been more specific about my time that I was coming over, but we got it. Brandon's sister Rachel helped me out with getting it loaded and everything, so thank you, Rachel. But yeah, we'll drop this off at the house real quick and then return the truck to Joe. So we got it home, so that's cool. Not before it bit me. Got a serious splinter, so that hurts. But yeah, hopefully we'll be able to use this for, you know, books and such. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching this weekend's vlog. Like I said, I am going to try splitting up this vlog bit with a actual car video. So there should be 2 videos coming out, and we'll see how that format works for everybody. I hope you all had a wonderful week. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and I will see you all in the next one. Bye.